Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the messages you want to merge. Pick the folder and verify Outlook is synced so nothing is missing. Use Ctrl+Click to pick non-consecutive emails or Shift+Click to grab a block. This saves time and avoids duplicates. Once done, right-click any selected email to see move options or drag them into a new folder or a single draft. Make sure to decide whether you want copies preserved. That choice affects later cleanup and keeps originals if needed. Now merge content. Open a new email or a blank Word doc as the destination. Drag the selected messages into the body to inline text, or choose forward as attachment if you need separate files. Dragging in preserves inline text and images, but may require reformatting. Once inserted, use Edit, then select all to normalize fonts and spacing, and manually reorder sections if needed. Make sure to remove repeated signatures or headers, so the merged result reads cleanly and clearly. Finish by saving the merged message or document and then send it or move it into the target folder. This preserves the combined record. Double-check for missing inline images or formatting glitches. If images are absent, try inserting them from the originals or use forward as attachment instead. If Outlook won't accept drag and drop or content seems truncated, resync the account, restart Outlook, or export the selected emails to a PSD and import them into a new profile to recover everything.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.